One of the best perks of the manufacturing industry is the opportunity for career growth. Within KI, for example, you can go from being a technician on the floor and there's opportunities in marketing and design, there's customer service, there's HR, there's engineering, there's management. There's just a lot of different opportunities if you want to advance and change your career as you go. One of the benefits of KI specifically is that they will help with education if the degree that you're pursuing could be related to what we do here. So if you start out as a technician on the floor and you want to become an engineer, they'll help support you in achieving that engineering degree that you're going to go for. The value of being able to work hands-on in a job, at least from my perspective now as an engineer, the time I spent as a technician on the floor gave me some of the knowledge of how things go together and got to hands-on do those things, but also just the interaction with the people that I worked with and just seeing the things that they deal with. I think it made me a better engineer. So I think there's definitely value in that. And if you're not 100% sure on what you want to do, I think it gives you an opportunity to see if this is, something that you would like. I enjoy a challenge. I enjoy learning new things. Sometimes I think if I could have went to school for my entire life, I would have enjoyed that just because I like that daily learning. I think engineering gives you the opportunity to take a look at new technology. We deal with new product development on a regular basis, so I'm constantly learning about different technologies that we need to use, robotics, things like that. And it just drives me to want to keep coming back to work. It keeps things exciting, makes it enjoyable for me. KI Bondwell is closest to K-12 manufacturing. The products that we produce there's such a variety, they can be used in such different ways that I think it provides teachers and students with a classroom that allows them to collaborate. Teachers can use different teaching styles with the tables and chairs that they can purchase. And I think that just creates a learning environment that's exciting and engaging and keeps it fun, which I think helps kids enjoy school more and it helps teachers teach them better. There's definitely a sense of pride that comes with, getting to see our product out in the field and see the classrooms that it's being used in. We know that it's going to make a difference in some of these kids' lives and the classrooms that they're working in. So I think there's just a sense of pride in knowing that we're affecting that next generation that's coming through, possibly maybe some new engineers.